Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for tuning back. Thank you for choosing Rebby Kid Foods. So Rebby Kid Foods today has a very special video for you. And the village, I'm in the village, guys, and you can see the background. I'm in the village, and I'm bringing you an amazing video of African cooking challenge. So, guys, why this challenge, guys? I never grew in the village, but I've always admired the way people do the cookings in the village. I've never tried, but today I said I must prepare the Kenyan ugali in the village. So the challenges are here. I have 5 challenges, and I want you guys to rate my challenge from 1 to 10. Give it, comment down, rate my African cooking. So the first one is how to cook using the 3 stones. The 3 stones, the challenge here is you must look for 3 stones which can be adjustable. They must have a good size that can be able to maintain the cooking pan. Second challenge is that cooking pan. The cooking pan is the traditional one that they used to make ugali. And when you're using that pan, you cook ugali without having support that is holding it. You just cook it like that. The third challenge is how to light that 3 stone heat. So I'm going to do it by myself. And remember, I'm cooking in an open place, not a kitchen. So you remember there's also a challenge of the wind. So that is the third one. The fourth one is now how I'm going to make my ugali. Is it going to be the right one that is edible? That is, in Swahili we say it kuiva. And the last challenge is how to use, there's a pipe that we use to light the 3 stone. How to use it, because how to use it's like a flute. So I don't really know how to do it, because once I tried, and instead of my tears were coming of the smoke. It's really a challenge. So those 5 challenges, guys, you are going to be my invigilator. Mark and rate my video. So let's go. Come with me. So I have this hole here. It's one of the challenges that I'm looking for a space to make my video. So I understand, guys, that you must have to make a hole. I don't know how deep the hole is. I'm just guessing, but I've always seen them with a hole. So I'll prepare a hole first. Then I must look for 3 stones for cooking. And the challenge, guys, is that, is it the right stone? So keep tuned. Rate my video. Rate my African village cooking as I go. they use a plate to shape it well. So they do like this, and they normally do it faster like this. And then after this, they put this way. Then they turn it up. I don't know what I'm going to use for them to remove this ugali from. They use their free hands, but me I feel this thing is heavy. So you do this. Oh, oh, this is my ugali. Thank you for watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up, comment, and rate my African cooking challenge. Have I made it? Comment down there. Thank you for watching. Let's meet another video. Bye bye.